Have you ever been frustrated by a poorly scripted customer service chatbot? If so, this episode is for you. Learn how AI can completely transform your experience. Hi, it's Domi from AutoMEE.
Fine, well, that's absolutely correct.
Why, he's almost human.
Our agency specializes in automation and artificial intelligence, helping business integrate cutting-edge technologies into their daily operations. If your company needs support in digital transformation, get in touch with our AI experts. Meanwhile, let's get back to the episode. Today, we'll explore an issue faced by many companies and their customers: script chatbots that often cause more frustration than they solve. Rigid, inflexible scripts lead to repetitive, unsatisfactory interactions. Customers feel like they're talking to a machine, not a person, which negatively impacts their experience. However, the latest advancements in artificial intelligence can change this. With advanced language models, we can create chatbots that not only understand contexts, but also learn and adapt to individual customer needs. GPT's 4 abilities to conduct natural, personalized conversation is unmatched by traditional scripted chatbots. Let's take a look at a case study involving a tax service company. This company was struggling with handling over 800 customer calls per day, primarily dealing with repetitive queries about tax filings for expatriates. Implementing OpenAI's model transformed the customer service operation. The intelligent chatbot could understand and respond to complex tax-related questions, significantly reducing the need for human intervention. As a result, the number of daily calls dropped from 800 to just 50, as the AI handled most queries efficiently. Customers appreciated the quick and accurate responses, and the company saw a notable increase in customer satisfaction. Additionally, the cost savings were substantial, allowing the company to relocate resources to more crucial areas. AI not only improves the quality of interactions but also reduces operational costs. Automating the bulk of customer inquiries allows human staff to focus on more complex issues that require personal attention. This in turn enhances efficiency and job satisfaction with the company. The issue of scripted chatbot is especially pronounced in the banking sector. Banks often rely on these chatbots to handle a high volume of customer inquiries, from checking account balances to processing loan applications. However, rigidly scripted chatbots can lead to negative customer experiences, as they struggle to handle nuanced questions or unique customer scenarios. Customers often find themselves repeating information or being directed to human agents, which can be frustrating and time-consuming. For banks, this not only impacts customer satisfaction, but also operational efficiency. When chatbots fail to resolve issues, the burden shifts to human agents, leading to increased wait times and higher costs. This is where advanced AI models can make a significant difference. By integrating AI that understands and adapts to each context of each interactions, banks can provide more effective and satisfying customer service. AI-driven chatbots can handle a wide range of inquiries with greater accuracy and provide personalized responses, reducing the need for escalation to human agents. Scripted chatbots can be frustrating, but with more modern AI solutions like OpenAI GPT, we can completely transform customer experiences. At AutoMEE, we are ready to help your company implement these innovative technologies to ensure the highest quality service. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest trends and technological solutions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.